Hello and welcome you all. Let us now go to question number 23 from JEE Main 2019 morning session of 11th of January. Our question is, the given graph shows the variation bracket starts with the distance r from the center bracket closed of. The choices are the electric field of a uniformly charged sphere, the electric field of a uniformly charged spherical shell, potential of a uniformly charged spherical shell, and potential of a uniformly charged sphere. That's an interesting question from electrostatic field and potential. Before going further, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification of all my future videos. Let us now examine each of the four choices one by one. Choice 1. We know that the electric field of a uniformly charged sphere increases linearly for r less than r0 and then decreases inversely as the square of distance r for r greater than r0. Whereas in the given question, for r less than r0, the value is a constant. Therefore, choice 1 cannot be the right answer. Choice 2. The electric field for a uniformly charged spherical shell is 0 for all values of r less than r0. However, in the given graph, the value is not 0 for r less than r0. Therefore, choice 2 is not correct. Choice 3. The electric potential for a uniformly charged spherical shell is a constant for all values of r less than r0 and is equal to the potential at the surface of the shell and it decreases thereafter. So, this matches with the given graph. Therefore, choice 3 is the right answer. And now the choice 4. For r less than r0 for a uniformly charged sphere, the electric potential decreases with increase in r for r less than r0 and has a maximum value at its center. Whereas in the given graph, the value is a constant for r less than r0. Therefore, choice 4 is also not the right answer. It is therefore clear that choice 3 is the right answer to the given question. Friends, it is a very simple question based on your understanding and observations of the electric field and the electric potential for different type of configurations. I hope you enjoyed this question. In case you have any difficulties, please get back to me and I will answer all your questions. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe this channel and do visit us again for the next question. Till then, keep smiling.